going, first we will just introduce you to who Blizzard are, what they're doing pretty much, and then we will just move to their online presence, their social media coverage, and keep on through the marketing channels and where you can buy the products and the integrations, and we'll just have a quick look at the competitors and we'll just conclude afterwards. So, pretty much Blizzard have three main products. Yeah, we have a fancy movie there. Warcraft, then we move on to StarCraft as second franchise, and Diablo as their third franchise. They have been established in 1991 and under a different name, but 1994 they changed that. Being a listed company since 1994, and they pretty much have got over 10 million copies sold, and they have a very good business model with subscription. And we move on to our next slide, which is Warcraft page 4, and then Diablo's web page, and StarCraft web page. So all those three pages have an account system that's integrated in the main web page, which you can see. This is Battle.net introduced